Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with National Grid EV Incentives portal, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the National Grid EV Incentives portal website. Locate the registration section on the homepage. Click on the register button to initiate the process. Enter your email address in the specified field. Create a secure password that meets the criteria listed. Re-enter your password for confirmation. Provide your first and last name as required. Fill in your phone number for contact purposes. Select your state of residence from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred method of communication for updates. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to proceed. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the National Grid portal. Log in using your registered email and password. Complete any additional profile information requested. Upload any necessary documentation related to your EV. Review all information for accuracy before submission. Finally, click on the Complete Registration button to finalize your account setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.